Hi everyone, this is Miss T. Welcome to my channel. Miss T is blessed. As you can see, I've been shopping again. So today I'm going to share with you a haul from Dollar Tree, Walmart, and a couple of items from Aldi. So the items that I have today are to do DIYs and a product review. So please share, subscribe, and watch the video to the end and comment. So the first items that I bought this purple pick. This is from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to do a Easter DIY. And I bought these picks. They come in different colors. They're Easter eggs, little styrofoam picks. And I found these little sparkly bunny rabbit picks. They came in pink, purple, and white. And I got the purple ones. So I'm going to do probably a centerpiece or Easter basket or something like that with these picks. So that was from Dollar Tree. Also from Dollar Tree, I bought these thank you cards. I thought they were really pretty. Well, note cards. And I'm going to use these also for DIY. And then I found some new items at Dollar Tree. These bags. And they came in this color. It's almost like a peach. And they have silver and a blue color. Now the material is like a material you can wipe off, so you can put, you probably can shop with it, but you couldn't put really heavy items in it. So I'm going to also use these for DIY. And I bought these poster letters. What else did I get? I got some safety pins. I always try to stock up on safety pins. But most of these items are for DIY. And a craft knife set. A lot of these items are new at my Dollar Tree. But at some of the other Dollar Trees, they always carry them. So this is an embossing stylus. So what this is for, if you have a Cricut or stickers or anything like that, it's easier to pull them off with that tip. And it's easy to do, like the little gemstones, to pick them up and push them down in place. So I have that. I also have some permanent markers. And I have these alphabet stickers. They come in silver and gold. What else? I have these facial mask remover sponges. I don't know if you can see it. You get 2 in the pack. And all of this is from Dollar Tree. And these are a lot of new items that they had. So I saw this peeling stick. And it says, do not worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but I just thought it was nice. And that too is a new item at my Dollar Tree. I bought some caulk, all-purpose caulk. I have a lamp that I'm going to repair. I'll share that with you when I do it. And I bought a flashlight. I always buy little flashlights. That too was from the Dollar Tree. What else? Oh, disinfectant spray. That just came into my Dollar Tree a couple of days ago. So this scent is linen scent. They had another scent, but I wasn't sure about trying a new scent. So that was most of the stuff from Dollar Tree. So next, oh, this came from Dollar Tree, this container. So what I'm going to use this for is when I organize my refrigerator, I put yogurts and applesauce in it, because I always stack the yogurts up and they fall all over the place. So I thought I would just use this tray for that. And next is Aldi. Oh, I'm sorry. This came from Dollar Tree too. So this is a container that I'm going to use to do the oatmeal and the fruit. Where you put the oatmeal and the fruit and yogurt in it, and you put it in the night before, and then you can just have it ready in the morning. So I bought, I think, 3 of these. That also is from Dollar Tree. So from Aldi, I bought this pack of individual packs, 8 individual pack of napkins. So when I go out, I always put one in my pocket or pocketbook. I don't remember how much they were. And then at Aldi, I bought this. I found this set of 2 glass bowls. And this was, I think, $9. And this said divided food storage. So it's made out of glass. And that's how wide, one side is wider than the other. And you get 2 of them. And they have the top that locks. Let me get it right. So it seals it closed. And you get 2 of those for $9. So that came from Aldi. And the next things I'm going to show you are the items that I'm going to do a product review on in a couple of weeks. The first item is Olay Regenerist. I've been looking for facial cleanser or treatment or routine. So in the past I've used Noxzema and years ago Mary Kay. So I thought I would try this. So I haven't, this was $24 and you get the moisturizer and cleanser. So I'm going to use it for a couple of weeks and then I'll let you know how it is. This is the moisturizer. So I can't see how many ounces it is. But if you buy it by itself, I think it's like $12 or something. It really doesn't have a scent. The scent, it's a little bit of a scent, but just a refreshing scent. And this says Detoxifying Pore Scrub Cleanser. So I'm going to try that for a couple of weeks and I'll let you know how it does. And also the other products that I bought that I haven't used in the past are from Dollar Tree. I don't like a lot of strong odors like Fabuloso and the purple one, and a lot of disinfectant odors, and a lot of things, they bother me. So I saw somebody had bought this Fabuloso antibacterial, and so I said I would try it. So it didn't have a strong odor. It's not strong like the purple one. And this Fabuloso is Ocean Paradise. And this is not strong. So I'm going to try those. And this should be lavender because it's purple. I don't see it. But this is the Lysol Toilet Cleanser. So it's lavender. So I'm going to try these items also. They're from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to let you know how they clean, if the odor was a strong scent, and if it lasts or not. Also, I bought some Eucerin. I got this from Walmart. And it says Roughness Relief Lotion. And right here, it has light up to rich. So that tells you the texture of the lotion. And this one is close to rich. It's second from, well, it's next to the last one, so it should be really creamy. So it says extremely dry, rough skin. This was $9. So after I use this a couple of weeks, I'll let you know if I really like it or if it was irritating or anything like that. So that's my haul from Dollar Tree, Aldi, and Walmart. And I'll be back with you in a couple of weeks with the product reviews for the Olay Regenerist, the Eucerin, and the cleaning supplies. So this is Miss T. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful and informative. And remember, today is a gift. Enjoy your present and live your best life. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.